Adipati, you have to circle. You have to circle. And the circle, then you have to again you have to go like a octagon. This is octagon. Here.
Hello, my name is Salva Tavlasius and I'm from Iceland. I took the Ayurvedic class with Dr. John and also the detoxification program, and I am very happy with the course. It helped me a lot, and I know it will help me in the future because I want to learn more and more. And after the detox also I feel amazing. I'm doing the medication and I feel a lot of difference, and yeah, I will recommend this course for sure with everybody who's interested in Ayurveda.